Nag-arrive pala ng video, damit yung
Well, it is, but I don't feel good, you know.
comes po talaga sa
I need to get out and get more done, and my hip was bothering me there. But now that's feeling better, so I can get out and work.
So it's not?
No, it's
Yeah,
not
you're used to it.
Yeah, I told you. Here, I'm at the house of one of my Filipina friends. She's a Fil-Am. See? Look at her. She's like a 12 years old. She's,
YouTube
Gotta do this project.
this is her husband. This is their daughter. Definitely, she's not gonna marry an old guy. She's making bacon
An eggplant.
and eggplant. So we're gonna have a free breakfast today.